Welcome guys to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem right here with CapCut. So you finally spent the money for your premium CapCut, and now you're trying to do your script to video, and every single time you try you get this error right here. Now I've been struggling with this for the past 3 days, and I finally found the problem with it. Okay, so let's just click on cancel here. Now, look at the way my script is structured. Notice how you have all of these long pauses. Notice how you have all of this um, asterisks, right? And all of this just extra stuff on the video. You have this one point. You have all these long pauses, right, and spaces. What happens is CapCut finds it really hard to essentially generate videos when you have all of this stuff going on, right? So now I'll keep it the same and I will try to click generate video, and then I will go for smart generation. Okay, so now the video is CapCut is trying to go through the words, is trying to create a video generated from it, and again it couldn't generate. But look what I do. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just remove these paragraphs. Right now, what you really want to do is just remove this stuff around here. Anything, I repeat, anything that cannot be used in a sentence, you need to remove. Okay, you don't need double columns in a sentence. You don't need point one and then point on it. You need to go through the entire script and just remove everything. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do, and I will skip over. Okay, and we are back. You can see I've removed everything. I've removed all of those long pauses. I've removed all of those, semicolons, bicolumns, commas that are not required. Okay. And now I'm going to click generate. Now remember, the same amount of words, everything else is the same. I just removed all that useless stuff, right? Now click generate video, smart generation. And I'm not even going to speed up the video. I want you guys to see how it fucking works. And as you can see, it fucking works.
The nature and scope of sacred doctrine.
See? It's all about that. It's all about those, commas and spaces. That's the reason it doesn't work. Guys, if you found this video helpful, because I wish I could find this on YouTube. But if you find this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.